crafty friends, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Welcome back to my channel. If you sell handmade journals, mini albums, or other paper goodies at craft shows, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you a variety of signs you can use at your booth to help your customers know what you're selling, what to touch, and more importantly, what to buy. And I have a freebie for you if you stick with me to the end. Great signage makes your booth more welcoming. It saves you from answering the same question 100 times. And yes, it helps increase sales.
Let's start with the basics. These are signs every booth should have no matter what you're selling. The first is a business name sign. Have your business name nice and clear at the top of your display. Use your logo if you have one. This is your brand. Make sure you own it and everybody can see who you are. Number 2, price signs. Price tags on individual items are good, but a general sign can help too, like journals, $25 each, or mini albums starting at $15. Books and journals, mini albums, paper goods are hard to put price tags on because we can't stick a sticker on it like you can with some items. So I do have a video on how I made my own price tags, and I will put the link below for that video. Let people know how they can pay. Use signs like we accept cash, Venmo, PayPal, credit cards, whatever you're able to accept. And it reassures people before they commit to buying that they're going to be able to pay for your item. The second type of sign I would recommend are engaging signs. Let's make it fun now. These signs add personality and they also answer common customer questions. How about this question that we get all the time? You show somebody a junk journal. What is this? What do you do with it?
Huh? What?
So people often don't know what a junk journal or mini album is. So you can have signs like, what's a junk journal? Flip through and find out. Or this is a mini album. Think scrapbook meets photo book. I decided to go with this sign because I am really committed to helping people get their photos off of their phones and into albums. So I made this little sign, and I think it looks great on my booth. It's a little 3-inch by 6-inch sign, and I'm happy to tell you that you can purchase this sign over on my Zazzle page. I'll put the link below. It is an actual wood sign, and it fits my style of vintage, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I also have a blank version over on Zazzle, so you can put your own wording on here if you don't want to have your photos need a home on yours. But I'm really happy with the way this came out. One of the benefits to selling it as a craft show is because now people get to actually touch and hold your product. And that is a really great way of selling these as opposed to just having a flat photograph on your Etsy or your website. Now they get to touch it and hold it. So encourage them to do that. Maybe have a sign that says, touch me, flip through me. So encourage interaction. How about pick me up? I'm handmade. Or please flip through. Have one that you're not afraid of people flipping through it and maybe getting their greasy hands all over it. I always have one example out front that people can flip through. So this really helps people connect with your work. Another type of engaging sign would be letting people know that your items are one of a kind. Reinforce the uniqueness of each of your products. You could say, have a little sign that says, no two are alike, or each one is handmade with love. This is the particular sign that I think I'm going to go with. I'm still developing it, but I really want to reinforce that these are all custom, one-of-a-kind items. Another really engaging sign and something that will really help your sales is gift ideas. Sometimes people don't realize how perfect your journal is for a gift. So you might try having a sign saying great for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and more, or something to that effect. And also, I think I mentioned this in the previous video, I would suggest putting together gift baskets. I'm going to try to do this if I have enough time, but how about having a gift set already made where you have a journal with a pen and a bookmark, maybe some clips in there where they can hold their place, or some extra ephemera that they can put in there. Gift bags are a really great idea because a lot of people go to these shows looking for gifts either for themselves or for other people. The third type of sign are kind of bonus signs, and I'll give you some pro tips here. If you want to go a little extra, these signs I've found to be super effective. So I do have a sign. This little guy I bought on Amazon. It's super cute. It comes with hundreds of letters and emojis, and it lights up with batteries. So I will show you this in another video when my booth is totally set up, but this is really going to stand out and capture attention. Custom orders are welcome. Let them know that you love custom orders. Let them know they can get something made just for them. Put your business cards in a little holder next to or underneath the sign, and that way they know they can get something made just for them. Another thing that helps is having some behind the scenes info. Let them know it's made with vintage book pages, hand dyed papers, or stitching details. People love knowing the story behind your work. If you have a photograph of you making the product, maybe at your book press or stitching, hand stitching, have that in your booth somewhere. People love to know the story. These days, it really is important to have a QR code. The younger generation loves QR codes. I had to have them explained to me, but I do have a QR code. You can go on the internet and get one made for free, and it will direct to wherever you want. If you want it to go to your Etsy, to your website, to your Instagram, wherever, have a little sign. And they're just super handy because people can click on them and instantly go to wherever you want to direct them.
And there you have it. Just a few signs can make a huge difference in how people interact with your booth and your beautiful handmade journals and albums and other paper goodies. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which sign are you adding to your next craft show booth. So for the freebie, if you want a handy printable list of slogans that you can put on your signs, you can grab it over on my Patreon for free. It's a super helpful download. You can print and reference it while designing your signs for your booth. The link is in the description below. Come join me over on Patreon and get access to even more journal making goodies.